Hello everyone. Today I want to create awareness about a medical condition called thalassemia. Thalassemia is a genetic blood disorder in which people with thalassemia are not able to make enough normal hemoglobin, which causes anemia and associated complications. And thalassemia is of two types, major and minor. If an individual has inherited one defective gene from either parent, this individual is called thalassemia minor or a carrier, whereas an individual who inherits one defective gene from both parents manifests as thalassemia major. Individuals with thalassemia minor do not show any major signs and symptoms or any adverse effects of the disease and lead a rather normal life, whereas individuals with thalassemia major suffer from the adverse effects of thalassemia and require regular blood transfusions. In India, there is an estimate of over 1 lakh patients with thalassemia major, and we give rise to an additional 10,000 thalassemia major births every year. However, the prevalence of thalassemia carriers or thalassemia minor is about 3 to 4% of the population, which translates to 35 to 45 million people. As a country, we spend more than 15,000 crores on thalassemia treatment every year, and 90% of these expenses are borne by the patients themselves. In a newborn, symptoms generally are not shown until the age of 6 months in most infants with thalassemia. So hence, before a couple decides to have a child, they must know their thalassemia status. And this can easily be done by a very small, simple blood test called hemoglobin electrophoresis, which is the gold standard in screening and diagnosis of thalassemia. Sometimes we can also do genetic tests to confirm the genetic mutations associated with thalassemia. Now, why is it important to know about your thalassemia status? That is because patients with thalassemia major will need a blood transfusion approximately every 3 weeks for the rest of their lives. Now, high level of blood transfusions causes an iron overload in the body, which causes iron to deposit in various organs of the body. So we need to chelate or remove the excess iron by using a medical pump attached to the body overnight or take medications. This also impacts the country's blood transfusion burden by over 2 lakh units every month. But the good news is thalassemia can be prevented. If both parents test positive for the carrier state, they need to be counseled for prenatal diagnosis in the first trimester of pregnancy. And if the child is affected, medical termination of pregnancy is advised. So get to know your thalassemia status and help unburden healthcare.